son of justice, and I'm actually on my way to Udaba community in Etsako Central Local Government Area Ward 8 of local government here in Edo State. And I actually heard about the flooding in this area, so I said let me pay a visit to this place and see how the flood has actually affected them. And it might interest you to know that this place, this canoe I'm on, is not actually on a river. This is not a river. This is actually as a result of the flood. This place you are seeing are farmlands and houses of people that have actually been covered with the flooding. As you can see over there, you can see houses over there that have been covered by the flood. See this is somebody's house covered by flood. And you see there's a story within. People had to move upstairs. I guess just one person over there had to move upstairs. And the only means of transportation to this person's house now, the person's can't use cars for now. The only means of transportation in this place now is canoes. You see someone's house covered to this extent, and this happens every year. Really, I feel this place actually need government intervention. This place actually needs government intervention. Government actually have to come here and assist these people. Way to Anegbette community now. And from all indications, we've seen that this community actually needs help. They need government help, and they need government intervention to control this flow, because they alone cannot do it. You see, people suffering like this in a country where we have a government. It's really not okay. It's clear that the government has actually not sent nothing. They don't send anything to help the people out.
Pray for this state government and so those things they happen, so make they see hear our cry, so that they feel assist us, so that maybe we not go die for hunger.
Yeah, now you can see. More patients are now.
And I never say he reached.